Being stuck in the house can really suck. But what's worse than being stuck in the house? Being stuck in the house bored. Luckily for you, I have a solution. What's going on guys, my name is Adam, and in this video we're going to be talking about the best free online investment and finance courses that I've found, most of which I've actually done, and so I can tell you first-hand experience if they're actually any good. Did I mention they're free?
Yes you did.
Before I say anything else, I want to make it very clear I am not affiliated with any of the companies that make the courses I'm going to mention in this video. I'm just a guy on your screen giving you advice about courses that I found that I think will personally benefit you the most. The courses we'll be talking about range quite dramatically, with some only being a couple hours long and only talking about one specific topic, to others being in excess of 100 hours long to complete and covering a very vast amount of information. With that being said, it's my hope this video will provide you with a course that fits your time constraints, as well as enables you to learn some useful information about topics you actually want to learn about. I'll also be leaving links to all of the courses I mentioned in the description below, so if there's any particular one you're interested in, you can look there and find a link straight to it. But just before jumping in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and if you haven't already, put the notifications bell on so you never miss an upload. So the first course we talk about is one that I have actually completed myself, and it's the Investment Foundation Certificate offered by the CFA Institute. This is a completely free and entirely online course that you can start as soon as you register, and it's actually very well regarded by investment professionals. It provides you with, as the name suggests, a very strong foundational knowledge of investment ethics, principles and topics that will allow you to move on to more advanced concepts much easier. It takes approximately 100 hours to complete. Yes, I know that sounds horrific, but believe me, it's worth it. It covers 7 chapters, including industry overview, ethics and regulation, input and tools, investment instruments, industry structure and industry controls. Each chapter has review questions at the end that will allow you to test your knowledge, and they really help cement in the vast amount of information you learn. But an important question to ask is, how do you actually pass this thing? Well, you need to achieve at least 70% in both mock tests A and B, as well as wait at least 1 month after registering before you can qualify to sit the final exam. And when you do pass, you'll get a very nice looking badge that you can put in your LinkedIn. So if that isn't reason enough, I don't know what is. Personally, having completed the Investment Foundation Certificate myself, I would highly recommend it to anyone who's wanting to take it. I believe it's one of, if not the best free online investment course that you can take, and if you're willing to put 100 hours to the side, you will absolutely benefit from taking this course. Okay, so the second course we're talking about is another one that I've done, and it's called Yale Financial Markets. This is an online course offered by Coursera and made by Robert Schiller, who's an economics professor at, you guessed it, Yale. This is another sort of foundational course that aims to provide you with more foundational level knowledge that will once again allow you to grasp more advanced concepts a lot easier down the line, but it really helps you understand the financial markets as a whole. It covers topics such as behavioural finance, forecasting, stocks and bonds, investment banking, options and many more. The course should take you around 27 hours to complete, which they suggest you spread over 7 weeks, but you can complete it as fast or as slow as you like. For example, I just grinded it all out in less than a week. I'm not saying you have to do that, but you can if you like. Amongst the lectures you're provided with, you're also presented with tests and a final exam that you need to pass to gain the certificate. But, as is the case with most free courses offered by Coursera, whilst you do get complete free access to the entire syllabus, you won't gain a shareable certificate unless you pay £39 for it. So it's up to you if you want to do that. Regardless, Yale Financial Markets is a fantastic course that will really build your financial knowledge and help you gain a very strong foundational understanding of financial concepts. The next course is another one offered by Coursera, but it ups the difficulty a little bit and it's labelled as an advanced level course. So if you're wanting to jump in deep, this could be the course for you. It's called Advanced Valuation and Strategy, M&A, Private Equity and Venture Capital. Quite the mouthful. This course was created by Hans Smit, who is a corporate finance professor at Erasmus University Rotterdam, and it's aimed mainly at economics, accounting and finance students, but anybody willing to learn will benefit from this course, and it is actually very useful if you're interested in investment banking. This course will
revolutionise your way of decision making by extending static techniques from corporate finance with dynamic methods to quantify strategic thinking. And if you're a genius, you can attempt the honours level, but be warned, this level is incredibly challenging, engaging and compelling to an intellectually rigorous student.
In all seriousness, this course does provide you with the information and guidance required to understand corporate valuation and strategy. It has 4 sections: discounted cash flow analysis, corporate strategy, corporate real options and option games, so it covers some advanced and incredibly relevant topic. Now here's the best part. Subjectively speaking, it only takes approximately 16 hours to complete, so there's no real time burden. So if you're interested in getting a more realistic and hands-on experience of what being an investment banker is, this is definitely the course for you. The next handful of courses are all offered by the Open University, where you can literally find hundreds of free online courses to undertake. But for the sake of this video, we're only going to be discussing a few that I've handpicked that I think are more pertinent to investment and finance. These include asset allocation, which aims to provide you with the ability to understand portfolio optimization techniques such as portfolio theory. It's deemed as another advanced level course, and it has 7 chapters that should only take you approximately 9 hours to complete. The next is a 12-hour intermediate level course titled Financial Accounting and Reporting, which is really an essential if you don't know too much about accounting. I personally think this is a good course that really enables you to be able to effectively distinguish between management and financial accounting, as well as understanding the fundamentals behind assets, liabilities, revenue and expenses. So if you want to brush up on your accounting, this is a great place to start. The third Open University course is a very short 6-hour advanced level 1 titled Equity Finance. Through the completion of this course, you'll be able to understand what private equity and venture capital is, and the various methods used to raise equity. It's a fantastic taster of what being an equity analyst will entail, so if that's the career you plan on following, I'd highly recommend taking this course. A few honourable mentions include fundamentals of accounting, investment risk, and quantitative and qualitative research and finance. As I said, there are loads of courses you can take for free, so it's probably best you jump on and have a look for yourself. See what ones you fancy. Okay, so following on from the same structure as the Open University will be the courses offered by the Corporate Finance Institute. They actually offer a few really high-end professional qualifications that you can take if you like, however, you have to pay for them, and that's not what we're here for. The free courses I recommend taking are Accounting Fundamentals, How to Read Financial Statements, Free Excel Crash Course Spreadsheet Tutorial for Finance, Math Fundamentals for Capital Markets, and Economics for Capital Markets. They are all relatively short, taking no longer than 4 hours to complete respectively, and in completing them, you'll gain a good core understanding of important financial concepts, and of course, you get a cheeky certificate for the LinkedIn upon completion. So there you go. Plenty of free online investment and finance courses that you can take at any time. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that helped you find the right course for you. As well as this on the channel, I've also got a How to Invest series where I talk about various essential financial ratios and statements that you need to understand when looking to invest in companies. So if that sounds interesting, why not give it a little watch? And as always, thanks for watching.